In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member in FreshBooks. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it carefully so the right person gets access to the right parts of your account. If you manage a growing business, bringing team members into FreshBooks can help you share responsibilities, organize workflows, and make collaboration much easier. To get started, sign in to your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation for your account. From that menu, click on Team Members. This section is where you can view, manage, and add people who need access to your FreshBooks account. After the Team Members page opens, click Add Team Member. This will bring up the form you need to complete in order to create the new team member entry. In the form, enter the person's first name, last name, and email address. Make sure the email address is entered correctly, since this is where the invitation will be sent. A small typo here could prevent the team member from receiving access. Once you've filled in those details, click Add. FreshBooks will then create the team member profile for that person. After that, open the newly added team member's profile so you can continue setting up their access. Inside the profile, look for the Role and Permissions section and click Invite. This is the step where you decide what level of access the person should have. You'll be asked to select the appropriate role for the team member. Depending on what they need to do in FreshBooks, you can choose a role such as admin, manager, employee, or contractor. Take a moment here to choose carefully. Each role comes with its own permissions, and those permissions control what the team member can see and do in the account. Before moving on, review the permissions for the role you selected. This is a good way to confirm that the access level matches the person's responsibilities and helps avoid giving too much or too little access. When everything looks correct, click Send Invitation. FreshBooks will send the invitation to the email address you entered earlier, and the team member can then follow the instructions in that email to join. And that's it. You've successfully added a team member to your FreshBooks account. Once they accept the invitation, they'll be ready to start working with the access you assigned.